Hey loves! In today's video, I will show you how to make a sweet potato DIY mask, listing the nourishing hair benefits and showing you the application on type 4 hair. Begin with a baked sweet potato. I baked this at 400 degrees for 35 minutes. I chose sweet potato because of the omega-3 fatty acids that add luster to the hair. There's vitamin A that boosts the scalp's natural oil, and beta-carotene that can help prevent thinning in the hair. Oh, and it just seemed cool to try. This is the cold-pressed, unrefined virgin coconut oil that I'll be using. Coconut oil reduces protein loss in the hair, contains a fatty acid called lauric acid that's more easily absorbed in the hair shaft, and it's really versatile because it can go from a solid to a liquid using body heat. Melt it in the microwave or bain-marie before beginning. Y'all, my hair loves coconut oil, but you can substitute for the oil of your choice. Next, peel the potato. It should be really easy to peel with your hands after it's cooled. Place potato in an empty bowl deep enough to blend in and mash the potato into smaller pieces. Then take a hand blender and blend it until it's pureed into a smooth consistency. Once the potato is smooth, mix in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Look at that beautiful orange color. This would make a nice pie filling. But no, I have to resist. This is the honey I'm using. It's so rich that I had to melt it down so that it could be blended. It's a wonderful humectant that draws water to the hair, adds shine, softens, and is a natural hair lightener over time. I've used 2 teaspoons of honey. Mix it into the potato blend until it disappears. And of course, you can use your blender or hand mixer to help. When it's done, grab a jar. This one's 4 ounces, and pack the mask into the jar and put it in the refrigerator if you're not going to use it immediately. Remember though, this is food, so it will go bad within a few days. It's best to use it or eat it as quickly as possible. Alright, my hair has been in this high puff for a few days and it needs a little TLC. This twist out is old, but I low-key still love it. Here's my mask. It smells delicious and it's only 1 night old. But I'm gonna scoop it out with my hands, smooth it all over my hair, and pretend my eye booger isn't trying to steal the show. Here's a close-up of what the mask looks like. Next, put on a plastic cap and excuse my running shower water. I sometimes get distracted with filming and forget to shut it off, y'all. Once it's done, put on a heat cap. I got this one from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. It has flax seeds internally and I heat it for 2 minutes in the microwave, and so far I love it. Okay, so I ended up leaving the bathroom so that I could let it sit for 20 minutes, but whenever you're ready, rinse your hair thoroughly to remove the mask. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this took a very long time to do. If you don't puree the potato, you'll end up with a lot of chunks stuck in your hair, so heed my warning and blend well. It took longer than usual to rinse my hair, but I will say my hair feels really soft. When I applied it, there wasn't much slip or a noticeable difference, but upon rinsing it, I must say I am impressed. I can still feel the oil a bit too, and it makes my hair feel a lot less stripped. Twist the loose hair in sections to help the moisturizing process later. Now you might still have a few little pieces of potato in your hair like me, but the moisturizing process, it really should help it fall out easily. This is my hair the next day, and I really love how soft and shiny my hair looks. Incorporate this into your next wash day and let me know how you like it. Comment down below. Save it, rewatch it, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.